Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily record a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Recording a meeting is especially useful when you want to save important discussions. To begin, go to the top of your Teams window and click on More Options. From the menu, select Start Recording. Keep in mind that you must have an active Microsoft 365 subscription for the recording feature to work. Once you're done, you can stop the recording by clicking More Options again and selecting Stop Recording, then confirming your choice. After a short moment, Teams will automatically save the recording. You can find it by opening the meeting chat at the top, where the video file will appear. Simply click Download and wait for it to save to your device. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs.